Soft top, think you're better than everyone else? Woman parking basically on the bloody dual carriageway. What the fuck? Not fucking 2 lanes there, mate.
In 3/4 of a mile, keep left to A1060 Parkway.
Why do that? Pull out in front of me and go slowly. I'd get it if they rushed out like that and then just buggered off. But to rush out like that and then slow me down.
Red light camera ahead.
It's not right.
In 3.3 miles, at the roundabout, take the second exit onto A113 London Road.
It's funny how priority don't work for cyclists, is it? Should they have gone through there? I mean, I gave them plenty of space and they went single file, but yeah. Fucking stupid place to park on a by a bloody bridge. And of course,
The US are up in 5. So Waterloo on the board, the red for now. And 6 is the magic number that Europe needs to get to that 14 to retain the cup.
Then grabs out of the rough close to bunker.
inconsiderate is that? How fucking inconsiderate is that?
Mooring its way onto the green, flag at the front of the putting surface. That one bouncing on
Ridiculous.
the green side, lengthy birdie putt.
Yeah, I think there was a little bit of a flyer there. She was, the ball was buried a little bit, and I think she got a bit too much cross.
Unbelievably inconsiderate driving.
Just jumped on it.
Onto his putting down the slope, mooring from right to left. They're coming up 3 feet short with a lengthy birdie putt there. Still got the long sleeve top on as Lynn Grant, the Europeans in the blue of the European flag in their tops, white skirts, and then the yellow stars that are sort of stretching down the slopes, the shoulders, and the caps, white caps with yellow stars all over them. Very engaging outfit for the Europeans, and America, of course,
was just rushing and then put on their indicator to try and cut in or something. Didn't get a chance. Yeah, you're gonna come in when everyone's braking because a fast car. You deserve to be in front of everyone because you own an expensive car.
Plus, get the TMS podcast every day throughout the tournament. Download and subscribe now. On BBC Sounds.
I'm surprised they're not going in the right lane again just to get a little bit further down.
Yeah, they did a bit of the last bit.
and if you're just joining us, you're
You probably get away with it if you're turning
the
right.
which gave them a 9.5, 2.5.
Here comes someone belting it down this side. Wonder if they're going to try and cut in or
This has been the session where we've seen the Americans fight back a little bit, and they most
yeah, you're going to cut in because you're an Audi.
this afternoon.
Yes, Sunburns and Colin Morikawa have set the tone because in terms of the golf they've played so far in the Ryder Cup ahead of this match.
But you called it, belting it down there in an Audi.
Between their team from early on, Sam Burns was the man to do the business on the front nine, but on the 9th and on the 11th, it's been birdies from Colin Morikawa, which puts the Americans 5 up with 7 to play.
Next, we will go.
Hacking
Over the green, hacking the ball back over the green again, hacking the ball back down the green. I'm thinking, this is like us two playing the hole.
Yeah. It's like me playing. Yeah. It's like me playing High Beach Yellow Course.
That's the difference here. Coming up the 9th, Patrick Cantlay is best placed with the approaches into this par 5, but it's Europe one.
I mean, that one is finely balanced, as is the match that is ahead of it. John Murray.
Yes, Jordan Spieth and Justin Thomas are
I
setting
saw you
a
blue BMW. Did you not realise that this lane goes into this lane? Where did you expect us to go?
popular partnership in Ryder Cup history for the United States, and this match is all square. They've been pegged back by Europe with
Oh, so this lane doesn't even go on the M25.
partnered by Robert
Everybody does go on the M25 from it.
When was that the case? Are you not going to let me cross now?
So if you're going to stay with all that's going on at the golf, we'll bring you all the goals as they go in from Old Trafford from 3 o'clock, full commentary from 5:30.
They usually have this lane, but
I was thinking both lanes normally go, but
yeah.
I noticed when the car in front of me moved off, that the lane, that second lane actually does say right only. It's like the A12.
Yeah. That's been there that long. The last time I came over this way.